why do we pick somewhere where it's full of nettles? Oh! We could have just gone over there where there's no nettles. Should get danger money for doing this.
Welcome back.
Right, okay.
Okay. No, you just look up there now.
Oh,
No point pointing down that
I'm
side.
getting confused now. I've been nettle stung. Hello. Welcome back, everybody. And we have continued our search for hidden gems, this time visiting somewhere that's my idea.
And we're sat right in the middle of it.
Yeah, nettles, graffiti, broken glass, and the stale smell of urine.
However, this is a gem and it's the whole town.
Maryport.
That's a better view.
Of me.
So we are in Maryport,
Maryport.
as it's known friendlily.
I can say Maryport because I'm part Cumbrian because I lived here 15 years.
It's in the northwest of Cumbria and we think it's one of Cumbria's little gems.
Yeah, it's a really good place. We arrived late for us last night. It was like 9 o'clock. Sun was just going down and we worried that we wouldn't get a spot.
A free spot.
Free spot, any spot, we were worried. But as it turned out, we got a brilliant spot and we saw the sun go down on the beach, on a level space, and did we mention it's free?
So why is Maryport a gem?
I thought you were asking me a question. That's typical you, that. You asked me a question, then answer
Well,
it
it was
for me.
rhetorical.
Oh, what?
So it was rhetorical. That means I didn't need an answer. So number one, brilliant free park up on the harbour. And if it's really, really windy, which it can get on here, you can park the other side of
It
the
often
harbour
gets
wall.
windy in our van, doesn't it?
Number two, it's also got a campsite at the harbour and we've stayed there as well, and that's £28 a night, but it's beautiful facilities, showers, toilets, and yeah,
It's a really good site, yeah.
Number three, Roman Museum. So this area was
Everyone's switched off now.
this area was inhabited by the Romans, and there's a lovely little museum, and I think it was really, really cheap, and lots of local history. And the town is obviously really proud of its Roman roots and its port history, and there's loads of little displays around the town showing you that, and I really like that.
But more importantly, from where we parked, you can walk into town in 10 minutes and there's cafes and there's bars. You can have a pint, you can have a cake, there's a post office, there's a newsagent, there's little shops and stuff. It don't look its best at the minute, to be fair, because it's in a positive way, because they're having a lot of regeneration done, so there's bits of scaffolding and stuff, so it doesn't affect it just looks a bit untidy, but to be fair, it's a positive thing.
That leads to number four, which is the cafe at the marina. They do fabulous scones, sweet and savoury, and they are to die for.
The scones are as big as my head.
And number five,
They're not really as big as my head, but they are quite, they're big as, I don't know, something else.
number five is the aquarium, and we've been there many times with kids when they were younger, and it's just a right little cute aquarium. It's not massive, it's not going to take you all day to get around, but it's a nice little hour, especially if you've got young ones. So that's 5 reasons why Maryport is our little gem.
I love being in Cumbria. We lived here for about 15 years until we retired and started this whole travelling about in a van business. Worked in Carlisle, lived in a place called Wigton, got family in Workington, so we just love it. But the difference is walking along the streets and everything, people actually say hello, but they're enthused to chat to you and stuff. Whereas normally in other places it's a bit heads down and a bit mumbly, but here I feel lifted. It's brilliant, I love it. Rock on all you Maras.
up.
Legs itching like mad. I think I've got crabs.
Maryport done.
Is this a hidden gem?
Definitely.
It is. It's been really good. It's just a right nice environment. Maryport itself, it's not a bad place to potter about and get a brew or have a pint. So, and it's free, of course. And so far, I mean, there's a few motorhomes here, but no one's misbehaving. There's not rubbish everywhere. So, yeah, nice spot.
And there's even bins provided.
There's even a wheelie bin, which is really good.
So we're off now to our second stop and another potential gem.
Potential.
But it's at the bottom of Cumbria, so we've got to get all the way down to the bottom.
It's on Cumbria's bottom.
You're happy, bud? Way up. Warning. This could be a disaster. Can you remember how to do it?
Everything's really stiff.
Is it now?
Not in a good way.
It's been a while. When did you last get the awning out?
Well, it's had a fault, didn't it? And we sent it back. So it's over 12 months since it's come back.
Well, this is peaceful. Now this is a gem.
We've only just arrived. You don't know yet.
I know, but that's enough. There's only going to be us here tonight so far, and it's just so lovely.
It's a certified site, camping and caravan club, and it is how much?
£8.
£8. There is, as you'd expect, it's just really a nice place to park up, and you can do your van services, else and water, and waste I think goes to the bushes. So, oh, and there's bins. What more do you want?
It's stunning. Mind them nettles. This is a nice back garden, isn't it?
I've got wars that I can't fight. I've got bullets that I can't seem to buy on my own. Still the only place I'm gonna make my bed is the banks of the river where I lay my head. So I'll stumble to the covers and turn down the tunes, safe in the shape
Right, well, it's rained and rained and rained and rained and rained for about 30 hours now, quite heavy at times, and there were a point yesterday where I said to myself, just move the van now.
You nearly swore then.
Yeah, well, I feel like swearing because we're on really soft ground now. Caravan arrived last night. They're in front of us. He's in a rear-wheel drive Merc, so he's just dug in up to axles. So I'm hoping that we can get out, no drama. But I'm wishing that I should have just done what I thought yesterday and moved van onto a harder place.
So it's all hands to the pump for the van.
I said I'd give him a lift. They're going to separate the van from the car, push the van, and then see if we can get the car out. So we'll see. I said I'd give him a lift, but yeah.
So the moment of truth for us. We're now just waiting to be rescued by the farmer. Andrew is not a happy bunny. He's kicking himself because we should have moved last night, and it's probably me that put him off moving, saying, oh, we'll be all right. But he should have trusted his gut, and he knows he should. And I should have trusted him too. But hey ho, first time being hauled out of a campsite. It's such a shame we lost yesterday to the rain. We planned to do a lovely walk around the river and right down to the fields at the bottom, and then right round to the nature reserve. Because they've got ospreys there, there is a webcam, but it would have been nice to see if we could catch them. We had a really good chat to the farmer when we arrived, and Roger told us that the ospreys come and fish in this river, and then also a bit of a cut down there. Such a shame, but it has absolutely chucked it down and we weren't getting soaked for that. But we'll definitely come back. So we'll leave this video with us getting pulled out of the mud for the very first time, and it won't happen again.